In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Squarespace Site Promotion. If you want your website to feel fully branded and distraction-free, turning off Squarespace's built-in promotion is a simple but effective tweak. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting, what it does, and a few pointers so you know it's working as intended. First, open your Squarespace site and head into the site editor. If you're prompted to sign in, just do that with your usual account. Once you land on the home panel, the main dashboard where you manage pages, design, and settings, you're in the right place. It's best to use an account with administrator permissions because certain options only appear to admins. From the home panel, open Settings. You'll typically see it represented by a gear icon. This area controls global preferences for your entire site. Inside Settings, look for the Website section. Depending on your template and the current interface, Squarespace may group things slightly differently, but Website is where you'll find the controls that affect your overall site behavior. Next, select Site Promotion. This page centralizes options for Squarespace's promotional elements, things like platform-branded badges or subtle callouts that can appear around your site. To disable them, flip the main toggle or uncheck the option to turn site promotion off. In most cases, Squarespace saves this change automatically. If you see a Save button, click it to confirm, and you're done. Once site promotion is off, any branding or promotional callouts controlled by this setting should no longer display on your live site. That keeps the emphasis on your own identity and content, which is especially helpful for client projects, portfolios, or any site where you want a fully white-labeled look. This change does not affect your billing, your plan, or your SEO. It's purely about presentation. If you don't immediately see site promotion, it can be due to permissions or a recent interface update. Being signed in as an admin and checking within the website section usually resolves it. After you've turned it off, refresh your live site or view it in a private browsing window to see the change from a visitor's perspective. If you collaborate with a team, it's a good idea to let others know you disabled the promotional elements so everyone aligns on branding. And that's it. By opening your site, going into settings, and turning off site promotion, you've removed extra platform branding and tightened up your site's look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.